As a veteran, the National Day of Service is a great way of giving back to a veteran who has sacrificed for our country. In this case, Donna volunteered to go to Vietnam to be a nurse in Vietnam. This is a chance to give back to them and thank them for their service and thank them for everything they've done for us and for our country.
Thank you from the bottom of my heart. I can never thank you enough. There's nothing I could pay you for all that you've done today. There's nothing.
So we've been doing the National Day of Service for 13 years. Every year we take care of a veteran that is in need of some general maintenance and repairs on their house.
I can't tell you how appreciative I am. We have over 40 different companies here today providing services in the forms of construction work, donations. So we're very happy to have such an enormous crowd out here today.
My team and I are here today at the National Day of Service, and we are just one of more than 40 different businesses that are pitching in. I've known about this for years and we wanted to pitch in, but since we sell real estate and don't have any actual trade skills, we decided just to be volunteers and put us where you need us.
Keep doing it. There's a lot of us out there that are in the same position, that just need help.
We don't thank our veterans enough. Say thank you to the next veteran you see because they did something to help protect our country and your community.
National Day of Service is awesome. It's with my background being retired military, this is a chance. My business is finally in a position that we can take care of another veteran. This year it's even more special because we involved almost 50 local business owners who either donated, volunteered their time, to help out around the house. We've done stuff on all 3 levels of the house and all sides of the house. It's been amazing that we've got that much support from the local business owners and their teams.
Yeah, it's an amazing gift. I mean, I was really just blown away by all the stuff they volunteered to do in my house that needed it.
But there's, 40, 50 of us out here doing repairs on this veteran's home? Nobody knew her till today. I think that's awesome.